Welcome to our comprehensive guide on navigating the I-485 form, specifically focusing on questions 19, 20, and 21. For those applying for a green card through adjustment of status, understanding these questions related to the 2-year home residency requirement for former J-1 visa holders is crucial. In this video, we'll cover understanding the 2-year home residency requirement, breakdown of questions 19, 20, and 21 on the I-485 form, discuss a scenario involving changes in home country skills lists, and end with some important considerations and advice. Some J-1 visa holders are subject to a requirement that they return to their home country for 2 years before being eligible for certain other visas or adjustment of status. This is influenced by the nature of their J-1 program and their country of citizenship or last permanent residence. Understanding changes in home country skills lists and waiver eligibility is pivotal. Let's go through the key questions on the I-485 form that determine whether an applicant is subject to and has met the 2-year home residency requirement. Question 19 asks, have you ever been a J non-immigrant exchange visitor who was subject to the 2-year foreign residence requirement? If you were ever subject to this requirement, the answer is generally yes. Question 20 asks, if you answered yes to item number 19, have you complied with the foreign residence requirement? This assesses whether you have fulfilled the 2-year requirement. If you return to your home country for 2 years, the answer is yes. If not, you may need a waiver, making the answer number. Question 21 is relevant if you answered yes to question 19 and no to question 20, meaning you were subject to the requirement but have not fulfilled it. It asks, if you have been granted a waiver, or has the Department of State issued a favorable waiver recommendation letter for you? If you have obtained a waiver, the answer is yes. If you are still seeking a waiver or have not received one, the answer is number. Let's test your knowledge with a quick quiz. If your home country was on the skills list but is now removed, what should you answer for? Question 19. Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, maybe. Or option D, none of the above. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer to the quiz question is yes. Even if your home country has been removed from the skills list, since you were once subject to the requirement, you should answer yes. For the scenario where your home country was previously on the skills list but has been removed. For question 19, answer yes, as you were once subject to the requirement. For question 20, answer no, since you did not return to your home country for 2 years. For question 21, answer no, because you need to confirm your eligibility for a waiver and you haven't been granted one. Here are some important considerations and advice. Obtain an advisory opinion from the Department of State, as it can support your applications. Consult legal advice from an immigration attorney for personalized guidance. Gather all supporting documents, such as your J-1 visa and DS-2019 forms. Stay updated by checking the USCIS website regularly, and always be accurate and honest in your application. To sum up, understand the 2-year home residency requirement well, and be clear and accurate when responding to questions 19 through 21. Take into account any recent changes in skills lists when answering these questions. Also, seek professional and legal advice whenever needed to fortify your application. Thank you so much for tuning in to this detailed guide. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on immigration processes and guides. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Until next time.